What up, what up? Got a package in the mail today. Can you guess what it is? Wrong. Check it. Look at that. Look at that. Heat shrink from BadLabs. Man, that looks sick. About to throw this on. Put some wires. You know what it is. First up, these. Boom. Now we got to this. But first, so I gotta cut some wire. About to go get some more wire. Can you tell one that looks different? Maybe that one. So what I did is when I did the heat shrink on this one, I did the top first.
It's a terrible idea. Why did you let us do that? It's so bad.
If you have heat shrink with some kind of logo or picture, whatever, heat shrink or apply the heat to the back first, and don't make this mistake. I'm gonna slide another one over there, but I had to show y'all. I'm about to have to open up another 50-foot roll. This will be my, I don't know, third roll of 50-foot. I don't even know how much wire it is. I'll calculate it and put it on the screen, how much just one odd OFC I have in this truck. It's too much to think about when money's involved. How much have you spent on your system? Drop down in the comments and let me know. How much money I've spent on mine? I don't know, and I'll never tell. That 50-foot roll, my extra one, the other one I just got, I needed another 50-foot. Gone. So I was like, daggum. I ordered so I went and got some of that new, whatever it is, new concept. Some new concept. Ordered 25 more feet, and it was just enough to get me all the way.
That's what she said.
Dun dun dun. I got wires. But I mean, I'm telling you, I had one little piece left over from one of the 50-foot rolls. And so, yeah. So that's a lot of wire. So now it's time. I gotta get some lugs on here, some more heat shrink. I ordered some Ferrules from I don't know where, but I will let you know right here. And I'm gonna put them on so we can get them on the amps, and it is all coming together. Got my lugs on, so you know what time it is. Time for some more BadLabs heat shrink. Boom. There we go. Now, I guess we can go ahead and put them up here on the battery. Got them landed. Man, I am digging that heat shrink for sure. Look at that. I don't have my powers landed because I am waiting on some fuses. Can you guess what kind of fuses I'm gonna get? Probably not, but I'll show you here in just a second. So it's supposed to be coming in sometime in the mail. But, you know me, I'm an idiot. I was driving home from work today in this behemoth, sorry that name's taken, anyways, in this build, and I never screwed my subs in. I was like, holy crap, I went straight to Lowe's, got some screws. So I'm about to get in there and screw those subs down, because if I wrecked, that would be terrible. So let's screw these suckers down and be safe while we ride. All right. Well, I had to pull that sub out. It actually had a little bit of coil rub. I'm gonna have to replace that, recone it, or I'm gonna have an extra, so I'll probably just keep that as an extra for now. I'm using the Spax number 10, 2.5 inches. You shouldn't have to pre-drill these, and it takes a T20 bit, so we're gonna do it. What up? It's a new day, probably a new week on this video. You know, this video's taken me a long time to make because I have not gotten my fuses in. and my Ferrules that I ordered did not fit.
No, of course not.
So I had to order some new ones. So the ones I got, ordered 2-watt ones from Lord of Bass. They did not fit in my amplifier inputs. So ordered some off Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. They're just some weird name. They actually fit. So that's what I'm doing. Wiring up some, putting some ferrules on some wires, and gonna put some heat shrink. That BadLabs freaking awesome heat shrink on it, and we're gonna hook these amps up. There is an old school trick where all you do is take a zip tie. If I can get one out. Take a zip tie, wrap it around. I'm sure you've seen it. Take a zip tie, put it pretty snug. Slide it out to the end like so. Then that'll help you get that ferrule on. Twist it down. You can pull it back. Cut your zip tie. It's a process, but you do what you gotta do. Then I got my ferrule on there. That'll be good enough. See, it's going like that. Got my heat drink, got my heat gun. Remember, I'm putting heat on the back side, not my logo side, but the back side to get it going. It works out pretty good. I like it a lot.
I like it a lot.
I'm gonna do this a few more times, and you know what? I've already done a bunch. So, ta-da! I gotta finish up this amp down here, and then I'll be ready. I do have to run my remote turn on, but after that, man, I just gotta throw some fuses right here. But anyway, other big news coming from the 808 scene. My subs are in the mail on their way to me. So these other holes are about to be filled. I got 3 brand new ones coming, and I got one inside that I just finished reconing. I just got some terminals. I just got to put the terminals on and drop them in the box. You know what I'm saying? So, but that's what's up. That's what I'm doing. I know this has been a long video, but thank you. I'll probably do a whole separate video. I'm gonna go ahead and drop this. I cannot wait for my fuses to come in. I don't know when they're gonna be here. I gotta check tracking. You know, I'm probably about to email dude and be like, yo, it's been like 2 weeks and I don't know where they're at. So maybe he's making them himself. I don't know. But anyways, I won't hold y'all any longer. I appreciate you. Love y'all. Hit that like and subscribe. Check it out. BadLabs Customs, Amazon, Ferrules. You know what it is. We about to get loud 2025. And I just saw on Facebook today, Bonce coming out with some new subs. So, Bonce, if you watching, Vlad, yo, just send them to me. And I'll put them in here and we'll see what they do. Come on, I'll test them out. So, all right. What up, what up? Holla at your boy.